Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex here, coming at you with another video, as always. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Adidas Terrex Free Hiker 2. Now, if you've been a subscriber of my channel, or you've just looked at other videos on my channel, you can probably tell that I really like the Adidas Terrex brand, especially their Free Hiker shoe. I've made a few videos on the Free Hikers, and then I also made a video review of one of their hiking pants, which I really like. And it's getting to the point where I'm hoping I can get some type of sponsorship or something. I DM'd them on Instagram to try to ask if I could get like a free pair for review, and unfortunately I just got the message read with no response. So still love the brand, of course, but keeping my fingers crossed, maybe one day I'll get that free review unit, especially because, you know, I wear them on a daily basis and love hiking in them. And I've also made a few videos for the shoes and reviewing them. But I own 3 pairs of the original Free Hikers. So here's one of the original pairs. This is my most recent original pair that I got. And once again, love the shoe, my favorite shoe, wear them on a daily basis. And when I go on trips, I basically bring just that shoe because they're like my daily wear. And when I go take trips, I mostly always go on trips to go hiking. And so I use them as like my everyday shoe, and then I use them to hike. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Terrex Free Hiker 2, which is the redesigned version, and we're also going to be looking at the GORE-TEX model. So both the regular, just water-resistant model, and then also the GORE-TEX one. So just starting with the regular water-resistant non-GORE-TEX model, this is what it looks like. So just an overview here. You know, we have the nice kind of sock type upper right here that fits nice around your ankle. You have a pull tab in the front, pull tab in the back with the Adidas logo. We have that reinforced back area with the rubber, or sorry, not the rubber, the plastic, like the hard plastic back here to reinforce your heel. Let me see if I can get that in focus. Hopefully that's in focus. And then what else we have? Here we have the pull tab goes down here, and you have the Terrex with the logo. You also have the Terrex logo on the plastic reinforcement right there. As always, it has the rubber reinforced toe cap as well, which on the last pair came in handy a lot when I'm hiking in rocks and stuff, accidentally kicking some rocks, and you know, it kind of keeps your toe from hurting when you do stub your toe in accident. And then on the bottom we have the typical Continental Tire brand tread. And yeah, overall, I don't know what this colorway is, but overall, I just think it's such a good looking shoe. Like, especially, I'm big into fashion I've been big into like tech wear, so fashion that looks really good but has that utility use, and I think that these are the best shoe for that. I mean, I know like Nike ACG makes hiking boots, but in my opinion, and this is just, you know, everyone has their own fashion preferences, so I'm not hating, but in my opinion, like the ACG boots are very ugly compared to these. These just look nice and clean. And of course you also have, how could I forget, this Ultra Boost as well on the midsole, which keeps your feet nice and comfy as you're walking. So and once again, this is just a first look, so I'll be doing a review. I haven't even worn these yet, as you can see, tags still on them. But this is a side-by-side comparison. Hopefully I can kind of get both in focus here. And you'll notice they're pretty similar. One thing that's missing on this new pair is it doesn't have this band on the side that says Terrex, and it says Prime Blue on this side. So I do like that, so I kind of am bummed that that's not here on this shoe. Also, this shoe, the first version, doesn't have the pull tab on the front right here, like on the new pair. Also, the toe cap has just changed design. Like, it's just, there's slight design differences. I would say overall, they look somewhat pretty similar, but there are just those slight design changes. If you notice on this, you can see like plastic down in that midsole right there, and that is not there. It's just straight up Ultra Boost all the way around. Sorry for the weird angles. I'm like trying to show everything at once. On this one, you'll see that this like upper like sock type fit, it comes low and then is stitched into the rest of the shoe. On this, it's just like the upper part kind of, and then kind of just goes into the rest of the shoe. So there's no like clear cut separation between this upper sock part and then the rest of the shoe. It just kind of goes right into it. So you'll see on this one, it's very clear distinction that you have this upper that's more of like that sock type fit that then goes down into the shoe, which in my opinion, I have no personal preference. I think they both look good. But overall, I don't know. I don't know which one. Comment below. Let me know which one you like better. Oh, and then also on the bottom here, the tread pattern is a bit different. And one thing I really do like is they got rid of this. Where you can see the what would I call this? Like the reinforcement that goes through the Ultra Boost on the sole. They got rid of that and they just added, you know, kind of a just rubber, solid rubber down there, which I do like, because not that it's a big deal, but if you notice here, this reinforcement as you hike and step on rocks and stuff, it just gets super beat up. No one really sees that. I don't care, but I do like that little attention to detail. And yeah, so let me know which one you think looks better. I'm kind of undecided. I like them both for different reasons, but I really do like the second gen Terrex. And then we have this one. So this is the GORE-TEX one, Free Hiker 2. And so it looks very similar to the new Free Hiker 2, with a couple differences, of course. So this one is a knit upper, right? So it does have more like breathability there, but also it's not GORE-TEX, not waterproof. This, as you can see, and hopefully it's not overexposed, is just a solid material. So that's why it's that GORE-TEX, you know, waterproof material. You could dunk your foot in the water and you wouldn't get your foot wet at all. This is the white color, as you can see. And then the other difference is this upper is not like a sock type of material. It's just like a regular shoe upper. So this is more, in my opinion, and I'll have to put this to the test, but this is more of like a heavy duty type of boot, because it has that solid construction up top. It's the waterproof, you know, and I think this one can take, in my opinion, it's going to be able to take more of a beating than the other regular Free Hiker 2 is going to take. But overall, it's, you know, even the bottom, the sole is the same. Overall, it's the same design, you know, rubber toe cap and all that. But it's that solid material, and it has a solid tongue with the solid upper right there. So once again, just a first look. I bought these on Black Friday. I haven't even worn them yet. I'll have to get back to you guys on like the quality and the sizing, if the sizing's the same as the Free Hiker first gen. But I want to at least show you the shoes, show the differences, and then let you guys know my initial opinions on them. Once again, comment below if you have any questions, suggestions. You know, let me know which one you like more, the Free Hiker 1 or 2. And I really appreciate you guys watching. As always, please subscribe and like the video if you enjoy the content of this video or any other video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.